Hi everyone, this is Mark of TechPinas and I'm now here in Hong Kong just walking around at night while playing with my all-new OPPO R17 Pro Android smartphone. So this is actually the first ever R-series OPPO handset that's launched in the Philippines, and this is quite special. I think users who are quite fashion forward or trendy will truly love this one, and it has several cool selling points and key features that will prove very attractive to you guys. So let me go through them. Let's go! Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is the design of this phone. So as you can see, it looks quite different, right, from other OPPO smartphones that have been released in the Philippines. This one also has a gradient finish, just like the OPPO F9 and some of the popular mid-range Android smartphones that are out in the market. However, as you can see, its gradient is quite different. I mean, it's more of like a vertical gradient. So it goes from blue to purple, which is quite unique. And aside from that, the back panel is actually made of glass. So it actually looks like metal, but it's really glass. And this one has a frosted finish, which is different from the current glossy finish that we see on other Android smartphones. So it's quite cool, right? It has a very metallic look and feel to it, but it's really glass. OPPO R17 Pro flaunts a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, which looks great regardless of the viewing angle. It's also quite energy efficient, so it's not the type of screen that will drain the battery of your handset quickly. It's also very crisp and brilliant. Alright, so one of the coolest features of the OPPO R17 Pro is its in-display fingerprint scanner. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. Right, so this is currently unique to this model in the OPPO smartphone line, and with this feature you can actually just put your screen on this section of the touchscreen to unlock the device. Really fast and convenient, right? This feature is really handy, for example, if the phone is on top of the table and you want to unlock it, so you won't have to lift the phone up just to be able to access the fingerprint scanner. So one of the real highlights of this smartphone is its triple camera system, which consists of a 12-megapixel camera with variable aperture ranging from f1.5 to f2.4, and a secondary camera with a 20-megapixel resolution and f2.6 aperture, and finally a third shooter, which is the one on top, which captures 3D depth information. So one really special feature of the primary camera is night mode. So basically it allows you to take long exposure photos at night, and then the image algorithm will compress multiple shots with different exposures into one shot, which has the best look for night scenes. For those who love taking selfies, this phone has a 25-megapixel f2.0 front-facing camera with AI beautification effect, which gives you selfies that look like you even after skin clearing. Okay, so on top of all that, this phone has Super VOOC flash charging technology, which gives you 40% battery with just 10 minutes of charging. So this feature is great for power users who don't have time to really plug their handset to an electrical outlet the whole day, just to make sure that it will have enough juice to last through all of their activities. Okay, so I'm with my friend Vince of TechBeans, and yeah. So Vince, what can you say about the OPPO R17 Pro, now that you have played with it?
Well, all I can say is that it's really high quality. The phone itself looks very premium. I like the gradient color. It's so stylish.
Nice,
I put it all the time on my pocket right here, and people notice it very quickly. In terms of the quality that you're gonna get, the specs and everything else, you're gonna get a Snapdragon 17 processor, a nice looking phone, premium phone, 3700 mAh battery, and Super VOOC flash charging.
That's true, yeah. I think that the design, the imaging capabilities, the power of the phone, right? And the Super VOOC flash charging technology, it's really an amazing feature to have on a phone with this price. Yeah, right? It's the first one.
Here in the Philippines.
The first R-series model in the Philippines. So it's quite special. So check it out. Are you recommending it? Giving it your thumbs up?
Oh, definitely. Not only one thumbs up, but here it's 2 thumbs up.
Check it out, friends. That's the OPPO R17 Pro. Hi guys, so we're seizing the night. OPPO R7 Pro seized the night.
We're looking for ramen.